Hey guys, it's Nick from Fluidampr. I want to introduce Phil. Phil has been working with us for a little while now. He is taking over tech calls, customer service. So when you have questions or anything like that and you give us a call, you'll most likely get Phil or myself or one of the other guys, but Phil is the main guy. So we're here with his truck. It is a 2002 Dodge Ram. Phil, tell us a little bit about your truck.
It's mostly stock. I got injectors, valve springs done to it, fleece fuel unit. Other than that, it's just mildly built transmission, nothing real fancy, stock turbo, just enough to have fun.
And no fluid damper?
No.
So you've never owned a fluid damper, correct?
Never.
So, but you said you have installed them.
A couple of them, yeah.
So you're familiar with the product?
Yep.
I mean, before you came to us, did you know we were in your town?
Not at all. I lived in Springville 24 years.
And you had no idea?
No idea.
So, and that was kind of like the same thing for me. I've installed these products tons of times. I came from heavy duty, so the Vibertech line,
Yep.
I've installed, 100 of them. And I've installed many fluid dampers. I've always heard of fluid damper growing up, but I never realized where they were located. How close they really were, basically our backyard.
Literally.
You actually live closer than I do.
10 minutes down the road on a bad day.
What's your background with automotive and stuff?
Done a little bit of everything. Started off pretty much just wrenching at home, working lawnmowers and little stuff when I was younger. Graduated from that into vehicles when I started getting around the age to drive.
Okay.
From there, I worked for a couple shops up in Hamburg and a couple places around Springville. Sold car parts for a couple of years and started building this.
Nice.
Figured I had to put an application in.
Nice.
Something I enjoy doing. I get to do it every day, might as well.
Right. Awesome. All right. So you're tech, customer service tech line help.
Yep.
So tell me about the role that you're taking on there and what you like about it.
Well, pretty much whenever anyone has issues, questions, concerns, comments about the Fluidampr products, I'm typically the one that answers the phone, talks to them. I guess my overall favorite part would be dealing with the customers, listening to their builds.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some really cool ones. I've talked to some people that have some like wild stuff.
Oh yeah.
Like, man.
That's something I strive to get to.
Yeah. So guys, Phil will be your probably your first point of contact. So if you have questions or anything like that, give us a call. 716-592-1000. You can also email us at sales@fluidampr.com. Phil's on the emails as well. We're gonna put a damper on this truck. Phil's never owned one. He's installed them, but he's never owned one. So in an upcoming video, we're gonna slap a damper on here, and we're gonna do a impression, first impressions video, and we're gonna take it for a ride afterwards. And then also our engineering team, we hooked up our equipment, our test equipment. This is the exact same equipment that all the big three use. So we're gonna hook that up to the truck, and we already did one run with it, and so now we're gonna hook it back up, and we're gonna get some data on that, and just kind of show the testing of it, and we'll go from there. So I'm ready, you're ready. Let's get this thing in there, and we'll get it hooked up.